Hi children, how are you all? You are all enjoying your holidays playing outside, right? But be careful children because so many people are affected with coronavirus. So while going outside, please wear a mask and wash your hands frequently. Okay? Today I will tell you a small story. See children, there are two kids here. One is Ram and the other one is Rani. They are going to the school with their school bags, right? Look at their school bags, children. Do both of their bags look same? No. If you observe carefully, Ram's bag looks bigger than Rani's school bag, right? Because Ram's bag is having lot of books, pencils and lunchbox, whereas Rani's bag is having only a book and a pencil. Now, they thought of starting a race. Can you tell me, children, who will win the race? Yes, Rani won the race. Why, children? Because Ram is carrying a bag with more weight, so he cannot run fast. Whereas Rani is carrying a bag with less weight, so she was able to run fast and won the race. So, children, what did you understand from this? The objects which are difficult to carry are heavy and which are easy to carry are light. Today, in this class, let us learn about heavy and light. Children, do you love your parents? Yes, they also love us. Did your father ever lift you up and played with you? Yes. Here, my question is, have you ever lifted your father up? You cannot lift him because as he is having more weight than you, it is very difficult for you to lift him. But your weight is very less when compared to your father's weight. So, he can lift you very easily. So, children, the objects or things or people who are having more weight are said to be heavy, and those who are having less weight are said to be light. Now, let me show you some more examples. Okay? Do you know, children, what is this? This is a biscuit packet. Yes? And children, what is this? This is a chips packet. Okay? Now, when you hold these two items, you can say this is heavy in weight and this is light. Because this is having more weight, we say this is heavy and this is light. Okay? Let me show you one more example. What is this, children? This is a water bottle full of water. And this is an empty glass. See, this one is empty. Okay? Now I can say the water bottle is heavy than the glass. The water bottle with full of water is heavy than an empty glass. Okay? What is this, children? This is a newspaper. Okay? And this is a paperweight. When I hold these two items in my hand, I can feel that the paperweight is more heavy than the newspaper. Paperweight is more heavy than the newspaper. Do you all know watermelon, children? Yes. So, I am having a watermelon in my hand, in one hand, and a mango in the other hand. Okay? Can you tell me which is heavy? Yes, the watermelon is more in weight than the mango. This is easy to carry because it is having less weight, and this is difficult to carry because it is having more weight. So the watermelon is heavy and the mango is light. Let me show you some more examples. Children, do you know what are these? One is a school bench and the other one is a book. Can you tell me which one is heavy? Yes, very good. The school bench is heavy. Now tell me which one is light? Wow, you guessed it correctly. The book is light. Now let us try one more example. Children, can you identify what are these? Yes, one is a car and the other one is a bicycle. Now tell me which one is heavy? Excellent. The car is heavy. Then which one is light? Correct. The bicycle is light. Identify what are these children? Correct. One is a school bag and the other one is balloon. Very good. Now tell me which one is heavy? Yes, the school bag is heavy. Tell me which one is light? Yes, the balloon is light. Children, now after practicing all these examples, I think you can be able to identify which is heavy and which is light. Yes, now I will give you a task and try to do it. You might be having so many toys in your home, right? Yes, collect any two toys and name them, which is heavy and which is light, and show it to your parents. Till now, we have learned how to identify the objects which are heavy and which are light. Now, let us try to learn another concept. Look at the objects here, children. What are these? Pencils. Do both the pencils look the same? No. How do they look? Yes, very good. One is thick and the other one is thin. Today, we are going to learn about a new concept, that is thick and thin. Identify this object, children. Yes, these are books. Do both the books look the same? No. Then how do they look? One is thick and one is thin. How can you say one book is thick and the other one is thin? Okay, listen. Let me tell you. See here, children. Look at the book. This is called the width of the book. We call it as width of the book. If the object is having more width, then we say it is thick. If the object is having less width, we say it is thin. Now, observe these objects, children. What are these? Can you identify them? Yes, this is a carrot. Carrots are very good for your health. Okay. What is this, children? Yes, it is a pen. Can you tell me which is thick? Yes, very good. The carrot is thick. Then which is thin, children? The pen is thin. Now, I will show you so many objects and you have to identify the thick and thin objects. Okay? So children, from all these examples, you can identify which is thick and which is thin. Here is a task for you. Do you know candles, children? Yes. Draw 2 candles on a white paper such that one should be thick and the other one should be thin. Okay? Try it. Thank you, children. Bye.